Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel. Man, I am feeling so good that I'm wearing shades on an overcast day. Let me tell you, just came in from the doctor, got the great news, and I'm going to symbolically do it all over again so you can see it. Check it out. Oh yeah. And look, it's pointing in the right direction. And not too bad. A little bit tender right there, but hey, I'm supposed to give it about 2 or 3 more days without all this stuff on. And she said, go have fun. But check this out. My scar, as you can see, is healed up enough that I can get a lid on, man. Woohoo! Check it out. Woo! I'm ready. It is so good to be back here at the workbench. Whoa! It is good to be here without that stuff all over my hands and wrists, and it just feels good. Picked up the airbrush today, and I haven't used it yet, but I could actually hold it comfortably, and the paint stand without any problem in the wrists, so that's good. But I want to take, I know for the 101st or 105th, whatever time, I want to say thank you for your prayers and for your well wishes. They were felt. I do believe God answers prayers, and I thank you for that. Lot to do. Oh, I want to share with you real quick. This tickled me. This is my final CT scan of the noggin there. And as you see, if you wondered why those crazy videos I was doing, this might explain it. As you see in the findings of the final CT, that last sentence there, the visualized portion of the brain are unremarkable. So I've got an unremarkable brain apparently. So hey, I can dump it off on that. Anyway, guys, thanks again for the 106th time now for the prayers and the well wishes. Truly they were felt. Well, we're going to jump back on the workbench and get back on our 70 Plymouth project. Thank you to all of you guys with the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators that voted to extend that so I could jump back in on it. Thank you guys so much. And since we've got this extra little time, if somebody else wants to jump in, hey, more the merrier. Want to do that, and I want to jump right back on that 32nd scale Lumina. I wanted to have that done by the 21st for the Hope It Don't Snow show, because one of the themes is Dale Senior cars. But it's no big deal. There'll be another one down the road somewhere. But I'm going to have fun with it. It's just not about a show. It's about having fun. And I'm having that, or I plan on jumping back in on having that. But before I touch either one of those cars, there is a priority that must be met. My granddaughter Zoe, for Christmas, got a new snap tight. Actually, she got 2. And we're going to knock one out. That is priority number 1 since Papa's been down. And that way she'll have a car for the Hope It Don't Snow show. How about that? And maybe even have an airplane. But we're going to have fun either way. And I may share some of that with you too. But I'm eager to get back at it, guys. So I'm going to do that. Guys, thanks again for all the support while I've been down. I appreciate that very, very much. And if you're not a subscriber, don't miss out. Head over, hit that sub button. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Always. Head over to the Teespring store. Get you a coffee mug. Your coffee will taste better. I guarantee it. Guys, I love you and I thank you. God loves you. Remember that. And from someone who knows, stay vertical. See you guys.